Hello, beautiful warriors of light. I'm Viktor Faisca, and welcome to your gentle yoga practice, designed specifically for beginners. Whether you are new to yoga or just looking for a soothing practice to ease your mind and body, you've come to the right place. Before we begin, find a comfortable space where you won't be disturbed. Grab your mat, some water, and a blanket or cushion if you need extra support. Remember, yoga is all about listening to your body and moving at your own pace. So, let's get started by centering ourselves with a few deep breaths. Sit up tall. Close your eyes and place your hands gently on your knees. Inhale deeply through your nose, filling your lungs with fresh air, and exhale slowly through your mouth, letting go of any tension. Let's do that 2 more times. Inhale deeply and exhale slowly. One more time, inhale and exhale. Wonderful. Now, let's move into our first gentle stretch. Extend your legs out in front of you, keeping your spine straight. Reach your arms up overhead, and as you exhale, slowly fold forward, reaching towards your toes. It's okay if you can't reach very far. Just go as far as feels comfortable for you. This is a wonderful stretch for your lower back and hamstrings. Remember to breathe deeply. Inhale and exhale. Feel the gentle stretch and allow your body to relax into the pose. Let's hold this for a few more breaths. Now, let's come onto our hands and knees for a cat-cow stretch. Place your wrists directly under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. On your inhale, arch your back and lift your head towards the sky. This is cow pose. On your exhale, round your spine, tucking your chin to your chest. This is cat pose. Let's flow through these movements with our breath. Inhale, arch your back. Exhale, round your spine. Continue at your own pace, feeling the gentle movement in your spine, and the release of any tension. This is a great way to warm up your back and improve flexibility. Great job. Let's finish our practice with a calming child's pose. Bring your big toes together, knees apart, and sit back on your heels. Extend your arms forward and rest your forehead on the mat. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths here, feeling the peace and relaxation in this pose. Allow yourself to fully relax and let go. This pose is wonderful for releasing stress and calming the mind. Thank you for joining me in this gentle yoga practice. Remember again, yoga is a journey, and every time you come to your mat, you are nurturing your body, mind, and soul. If you enjoyed this session, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more soothing content. Namaste.